Guys, welcome back. Another episode of Got It, Run It. We got the ACME Carnage here. It's a 1/16 scale monster truck, but it's meant for speed. As you can see, it's got a wheelie bar with a shock on the back. Pretty cool stuff. It is. Oh, my son's running the BGRC 1277, the Mechanism wheels. Cool stuff over there too. Also goes under the Basher brand. It's been rebranded under a couple names. It's a great little truck. It's got two side pods with two 2S batteries in it, and they're hooked up in series for a 4S, and that's what gives this thing the punch. It weighs a lot. I get it out a few times every year. As you can see, wheelie time, yoo-hoo, is here. I have a DSM-2 receiver in it that binds to my Spectrum radio. It can go through the grass pretty good, but it's meant for speed runs, and it's a lot of fun RC. It's one of the ones I don't run enough. Very heavy. It can actually corner pretty sharp at a decent speed. Of course, RCs are magnets for each other, right? Got a huge parking lot. No, we always got to have a collision somewhere, right? So, anyways, pretty cool stuff. I'll see if I can track this one down and put a link in the notes for where I got it. But I really enjoy this one for the speed that it can do, and it's just like wheelie central, and it's just a fun one to rip around in a big parking lot like this. And it's quite durable. It usually stays on its wheels pretty good, and it's always fun to get one of those RCs out that goes 65, 70 clicks an hour. It just flies right through. Woo! Cool stuff, guys. I get a lot of good feedback about this series. I'm glad you like it. Try and keep these videos a little bit shorter and not so much me blabbing on. If you got questions about this truck or anything in the series, just leave it in the notes. I'll drive that truck soon. You want to drive this one, eh? And I got a playlist for the series. It will be up in the top corner if you're on a tablet or computer or phone, and you can check out the series. I'm gonna get all my RCs out and I'm gonna run them instead of doing a tour and just picking them up and showing them to you. You can see how they run. I've had this one for a few years. So guys, we're gonna leave it at that. We'll give you a little wheelie demonstration here. Woo! Whoa! And that's it. We're gonna leave it like that as it flipped in the grass. Tayson, say goodbye to everybody. Look at us and say goodbye. Goodbye. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.